Hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video. This video is going to be for those only who want to get in the prime mode back. Before we start our video, like and subscribe. Let's begin. You know what? Most of the people what happened that in their early stages they have did well, very well. They have built a very great confidence, but slowly it went down. So if you want to get to your prime mode again, if you want to be very what successful again, you know what you have to do? You have to follow Kaizen. What is Kaizen? Kaizen means 1% every day. You have to be just 1% better than what you were of yesterday. You know what? Who is your enemy? It's yourself. Nobody's holding you back until and unless you are the only person who is holding you back. When the alarm rings at 4 o'clock, you say, "Oh man, I should do it tomorrow. Oh, I should do it tomorrow. I should do it day after tomorrow. Today I'm feeling up pretty sleepy." Yes, but no. Have you ever have a dream car? I have a lot of cars. All are my dream cars. And yes, I have to conquer them or before I die. So you make a motive. You make a motive what you have to do in your life. Kaizen following is a very good way to find your motive. Actually, mosquitoes are biting me from a great time. Oh, mosquitoes, please don't. So what happened that these mosquitoes are even playing with their life. Too many feast with their life. They are also coming here. They are taking risk. If I just snap them, what will happen? They are taking the risk. They are doing something for their survival. Until and unless you do not take a risk, nothing will happen. You know what? Most of the people say I'll play it safe. So this story I am presenting you. What happened that a person was passing nearby a field. A farmer was there. The man asked, "What have you grown this summer?" The farmer said nothing. He said, "Haven't you grown? Haven't you grown corns?" He said, "No, I thought that insects would eat it. Haven't you grow wheat?" "No, I thought that rain would never come." "So what did you grow?" "No, I didn't plant anything. I played it safe." Do you think that the farmer will going to be prosperous and content later on? No. You have to take a risk. We had got a great thought of Mahatma Gandhi. Do or die. And yes, one more thought I have. Take a risk or lose the chance. Yes, you have two options. Take a risk. Maybe you get successful because of your hard work and all. Life is 1% luck and 99% dedication. With dedication you can conquer everything. You know what, with me also what happened that when I feel that, oh, I got a maths problem, I have to solve this at anyhow by my own. So I just even fail hundred a times, but on one of my attempt I do it safe. I take risk. I take risk. Oh, if the mistake happened, what I will do? I have to cut the whole page. Yes, I took risk. Yes, do or die. Until and unless you do not say to yourself that, oh, I have to be a millionaire. Or I have to be. Now that doesn't mean that you are going out and you're saying how to be a millionaire. I am here. YouTube is here. Go and there. You start with drop shipping, you start with trading, and then slowly you build your own business. You have dreams of, oh, cars. I am also a car enthusiast, my friend, so I have a dream of cars. Yes, cars are like one of my most important part of my life. Without cars, so I can't survive. So I am working. I should work for my dream cars. I should, because I have to get them all. I love the sound of the cars. I love the looks. I love the speed. I love the luxury. I love the horsepower, everything. Until and unless you do not work for it, nobody will come and give you that car. You know what? If I say that, I will give you only one car. Maybe it be your cheapest, or maybe it may be the most expensive. But I will give you only one car. Now you have. I will say that now it's your dream car and you have to fuel it daily. You have to change its petrol. You have to change its fuel. You have to do modifications in oil. Same happens with your body. You got only one body in your life, my dear friend. So you have to work, you have to refuel it, you have to work very hard until and unless you do not do it by yourself, nobody will come and do it yourself. For getting your prime mode, you have to be disciplined, not motivated. Motivated, like most of the people would say, oh, I watch with Crush Dot, I would go against video. It's let's go outside. They got a tracksuit, they got a shorts, they got some shoes, and they went outside. Oh, it's cool. Leave tomorrow. I will. This is what motivation is. You have discipline. Oh, from today I have to start. Okay, let's go. Even it is getting a very great tsunami. Also, you will run. That is the motivate. That's just discipline. Even hurricane is there. Even rain is there. Even snow is falling. Even a tsunami is coming. Even earthquake is coming. Whatever. That is discipline. You have to do it. You have to go and run out until and unless you do not do it by yourself. Nobody will come. My dear friend, this is that way. Kaizen and believe in yourself and never give up and take risk are what are things to get in your prime mode back. So it was all about today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.